Hi folks, it's Friday afternoon. Let's go to an auction.
Just telling you.
Batman, huh? Yeah.
Dedicated to Batman. It's my sheet case, and it's got more Batman paraphernalia in it than.
Good, how you doing, man? I don't know, brother.
Whole lot of stuff.
Yeah.
It's more my stuff than your stuff, probably.
So nothing exciting or what?
I just started looking on it.
I know. I'm pretty sure it's right now. He actually was. It was. He didn't last long. Let's put it that way. It's probably been
2000 or 2001. Well, they were in the shop and they drank antifreeze. Yeah, it was exactly how they acted. Because it was the only thing that was still liquid.
Got a flat pack banjo. Good shipping though. Look at that. That's neat. I wonder if that's how they came back in the day. Any promise in your jewelry packs?
No.
What is that?
Costume.
Pretty stuff. I've never
Yeah,
seen
it looks
anything
nice.
quite like it.
Ori Borealis. Get the hell out of the middle of the road. $15.
We got on a porta cable brad nailer right there, 10, 15. You don't do down 10, 15, 20. You down 15, 20 now. You down 5, 25, 30. You down 25, down 30 now. 25, 30, 25 now. You down 30. Sold it $25, 131. 4, 5, 4, 5, $6. You down 5, down $6 now.
That's a good deal.
6, sold it $5 right here.
Stole that. That's a $50 bear.
22.50.
Bags of jewelry.
22 and a half. Sold it $20. 28. You want all four of them?
Is that 20 choice? Damn.
Choice. You can take one or all.
Oh.
If you take them all, that way you get the one you want.
Take them.
You
Take
take them all?
Yeah,
4
too
times the
much.
money.
You know, like you want to take Betty, you want to hold on the end of it. You can't hold.
Kind of like Canada, eh? Alright, right there, 5. You don't do 5 down. $6. You don't find it down. You don't find it down. 6, 7 now. You don't do 9 now. You don't 10, 11. You know, 11, 12 now. You don't 12. Sold $11, 42. 5. You don't find it about 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. $6. And I'm $7 now. $7. And I'm $607 now. $607. Sold at $6. 128.
Extra large. Autograph.
Autographed jersey. $25. He don't do 25. 25. He down 25. 25. 10. 15. Down 20. Now 5. Down 25. 25. 30. Now 30. Now 5. 35. 35. 40. And down 40. Now 5. 45. 45. 50. Down 50. And down 5. 55. 55. 60. Down 60. And down 55. You want back in here? And down 55. 60. You didn't like him either, huh? 60. And down 55, down 60, down 55, 60, 60, 55, 60. Sold at $55. Old box full of tractor parts and wagon parts, other parts, farm equipment parts. Buying the box full, $10. You don't do 10. You don't 10, 5, 7.5. You know, $6 now. $6. You know, $6 now. You go 6.5 down, 7 down. $8. You know, 7, 8, 9 now. $10. You know, 10 now. $10. Sold $9. Okay. On the Nuggets jersey. Right there, 10. You don't do 10 now. You don't 10 now. It is a large, $10. Then I'll do 10. You know, 10, 12, 12, 50. You know, 10, 12, now. 12, half. $10 number. Don't do 5 now. 5. You know, 5. 2, 3. You don't 2, now 3, 4, 5. 4 to 5, 5, 4, 5, $6. And 7, 7. Sold $6. 83 times 2. You don't do $6 down, $5, 7 now, $7 down, $8, and I'm 7, 8, I'm down here, and I'm 7, 8, 8, so $7.62.
Indiana's
Took me a
is
long
cool.
time going around getting all them plates off them cars. Right there, $5 for the box full, 7.5. You know, 10, 12, 9, 10, down 15, 15, 17, 50. And I'm $20. I spent more than gas on that. 20. And I'm 17, down 20, down 20. And I'm 17, down 20. 20. Sold 17.50, 38. Down 6. And I'm $7 now. 11 now. 12. And I'm 12 now. 30, 40, 14. Sold at $13.53. 46.30. On the John Deere tractor right there, 10. You don't do, 10, 10. You don't $10, down, you don't $10, 5, 7.5. And I'm 5 down, 10, $10, 10. And I'm 7 down, 10 out. You don't $10, 10. Sold at 7.5.
Before I showed you what I got at that auction, I wanted to give a big shout out to Clyde McNitt at the Treasure Trader in the Julesburg auction house. He got me this really neat buying old, selling old YouTube hoodie, and Old Man Stitching out of Sterling, Colorado is the one that did the work. They did an awesome job. Their links will be in the description. Thanks a lot, gentlemen. And this is what we got for $92. I think we did okay. It was a pretty fun night. It was total chaos at the checkout, but yeah, overall, keep our auction houses alive, guys. Go in person. They had food and drinks, and it was a great experience. And I got a lot of neat stuff. Got a red Konica Pop camera, goes between 20 and 60. These come out of a commercial chilling unit. I just total gamble. Got those for $5, and they should go for around $600 a piece, I think. Not sure on the tripod. I got 3 of the opening tokens from Casa Bonita. Really cool. These are fluorescent lights over here, and they're worth, about $60 for every 6, and I got 20 of them. Got a Big Bird bank. That little Heathkit stereo is the whole reason I went there. And it was only worth about 120 bucks. But that's okay. I got that Sony for me. These old soldering guns are really good. They're usually about 40 to 50 bucks if they work, and they almost always work. This old bandolin is in pretty sorry shape, but there is an awful lot of good parts in there for somebody. I think I got that for 5 or 10. That is a new in the box chrome toaster. Toastmaster 2 slice. Those are around 80 to 120. Some go for 200. But yeah, I think we did okay. It was a lot of driving, but it was a nice experience. And remember, folks, support your local businesses out there. And thanks for watching.